My name is Tim Yardy. I'm a builder, developer here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and we're in property management here at one of my warehouses that we own. We've just had a tenant leave and unfortunately trashed the building. Fixit Tulsa are my go-to guys for turning these properties around and getting them ready to rent again. From clearing out trash to cleaning up warehouses to casing doors. If I tried to get a commercial trim carpenter in here, I'd be waiting months, and we can't afford months. So these guys can be here next day, have their own equipment, and they're certainly on my speed dial. Fixit Tulsa has 4 guys. They split up into 2 teams, and they seem to divide and conquer depending on the list. We're lucky enough today to have all 4 guys. They've got 2 in the back doing the warehouse cleanup, 2 guys in the front doing the trim. So all those little knick-knack jobs, which is hard to find people for, Fixit Tulsa are taking care of for me. I called them yesterday, they were here today, and you can't put a price on that. I get charged $125 an hour. They always seem to send 2 guys. I've always thought that was the right way to do it, and they're usually twice as quick as anyone else we've hired in the past. They have the trailer, loaded it up, and got it cleaned out day 1. I mean, that was fantastic. Day 2 over here, again, full of trash. I really found the value in their trailer is we don't have to hire big dumpsters that are running $400 a piece now. They have a trailer and load it up and a $60 dump fee. So quick turnaround. Their skill set and the range of their work is appealing to me. I think I have them on 2 more call-outs this week, is rearranging some furniture at a site and then at a rent house doing demo and a clean out. I think the appeal is also to a regular customer that has a big list, but for me, I'm thrilled with what they do. Fixit Tulsa, they're not gonna pour my commercial driveways, but if it's light concrete repair work, sidewalks, anything of that nature, there you go. The maintenance of these properties is handed over to the tenants when they rent them, but when I'm turning them over between tenants, it's been huge. They got all the weeds and old bushes out of here, got the gravel base down. Weekly, they're mowing the yard for me. The quick fixes, the quick turnarounds, that has been enormous for me. They've become my guys.